Wouldn't you like to know whether your ex-spouse is hiding money, assets, and investments in your separation or divorce? There are many ways that an ex-spouse can try to conceal their money and investments when you're trying to negotiate a separation agreement or you're in family court. Hi, my name is Thomas O'Malley. I'm an experienced family lawyer in Durham Region and the GTA. Let's take a look at what Sneaky Rob tried to do in his family law case. Rob was involved in a technology business and earned a consulting fee of $1 million for his help with developing an invention. He reported that income on his personal income tax return, along with additional income from a sole proprietorship. On the same return, he reported cost of sales of $798,000. He also reported a commission expense of $200,000 and a few other small expenses, so that his net income was $4,000 only. However, there was one big problem. Rob had no cost of sales. His income came solely from his consulting work, with no money spent on any direct costs for this consulting. Rob argued in family court that he spent the $798,000 on other business opportunities. His former wife argued that Rob's situation was similar to one in which a person earned $802,000 and then invested that amount of money into the stock market. Virtually everyone would agree that the income would be $802,000, regardless of whether Rob invested it in the stock market, spent it on vacations, or invested it in future business opportunities. It was never determined whether Rob really spent the $798,000 on other businesses or was simply hiding income using fake business expenses. It was clear that in the year that the $1 million was earned, only $210,000 was spent on expenses related to that business. Therefore, the profit from that business was really $802,000 instead of $4,000. The family court judge held that 98% of the expenses reported on Rob's income tax return had to be eliminated. And many judges might have trouble believing that such a large percentage is false. They may accept a level of deception of 5 or 10%. However, the higher the percentage, the more difficulty they have believing that the deception was perpetrated in the first place. Rob may have been counting on this all along. The lesson from Rob's case are: 1, sometimes the amount of hidden income can be very large, both in absolute terms as well as in proportion to the other amounts reported on a tax return. And 2, it is tempting to think that hiding such a large amount is impossible. Banish that thought. It may be true. If you have any questions about your separation, divorce, or family law case, and you'd like our help, there's a few ways to contact our office. You can leave a message on my Facebook Law Office page, that's O'Malley Family Law. Visit my website at www.canadiandivorcelegalaladvice.com, or call me directly at 905-434-8837. We would be happy to speak to you. Oh, by the way, did you know you can protect your family law rights and get essential information on settling your family law issues with your former spouse with the daily, indispensable family law advice and tips on my free Facebook group? Go to Facebook and search Durham Region Separation and Divorce Legal Support Group in the top search bar. You'll find the group and join. Thanks for watching this video. Make it a fantastic week. I'll talk to you soon, and take care.